Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. As you know, last week I did a live stream show, and some of you have noticed my webcam. The quality of it is kind of under par, as I say. I mean, the webcam I have is over, 15 years old, 16 years old.
Damn!
Yeah, devices back then really could last you a while. I mean, if you notice anything that you've been purchased in the last 10 years, the quality of it's kind of went downhill. I mean, usually back then in the late, 90s, we would get, electronic that would last us for a very long time. Nowadays, when you get either a new TV or a new phone or a new camera, after 3 or 4 years, you notice there's some malfunction going on with it. So to be honest, I'm not surprised at how long my webcam lasts, and it's still working, as it should be, so, but as I seen, the quality, is kind of, subpar. It's time for me to upgrade my equipment, so I bought a new webcam. I bought a new Logitech c615. It's a full HD webcam. It records at 1080 at 30 frames per second. It also has autofocus, as well as compatible on Mac and Windows. There's also a built-in mic with noise reduction. I don't care because I don't really record my audio through the webcam mic anyway. I use my headset to do that. So, but anyway, it's nice to know that it has a mic on the webcam. I mean, I also have a mic on my old webcam as well, but the quality of that would definitely would not be be subpar. So anyway, I'm gonna unbox this and check the contents out, and I'm gonna show you what's in it. Now, I don't normally, do unboxing videos, but I figure since I went out and bought a upgrade of a newer webcam, I'm gonna get my my feet wet in the unboxing game, I guess. We're gonna see if what's in here, and we're gonna install it and check out the quality. See if it's it should be better. I mean, it gotta be better. I mean, come on, it's 1080p full HD. I mean, it should look real crispy. So anyway, let me go get the knife, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, let's unbox this thing. I'm gonna go get a knife.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Okay, I gotta get a real knife. So let me open this. Wow, it's really. I wasn't thinking that it was gonna be this small, but here's the webcam. Let's see right here. Let me see what else is in the box. Some cardboard, some usual books and stuff. Throw that over there. We don't need that. I mean, who needs instructions, right? We guys, we don't need instructions. Shouldn't throw that paper away, I may need it. A webcam with some books and stuff. So let me take off some of this plastic. That's usually the most satisfying, thing to do whenever you get anything, you unbox. You take off the plastic for it. Let's see here. Oh, I can mount this on my on top of my computer screen like that, so, and plug it to the USB port. Alright, let's install it. Oh, there's still one piece of plastic left. Is for the lens. That's what's pretty satisfying. Not as satisfying for a cell phone, but still pretty satisfying. Alright, let's plug it in and let's give it some comparison, shall we? Alright, I got it plugged in. The only problem I have with it is that the cord is really short. I'm gonna need to get a USB extender to extend the length of it, but yeah, that's the only thing about this webcam is that the cord is really short. It doesn't give you much slack for it.
Alright, here's the webcam that I installed. I'm assuming you guys could tell which is the new one and which is the old one. But on my, left side over here is my old webcam, which is really squared and grainy, and on my right side is my new webcam, which is nice and rectangular and crispy. So I'm gonna keep both webcams. I would think it would improve my tutorials to have an additional cam to record with. But I also could use this cam to, do some vlogs as well. Instead of relying on my phone to record vlogs, I could use the cam to record vlogs. But anyway, so far it looks pretty good. This, install pretty easy, plug and play. Besides when I first started it, it was kind of dark. So I had to play around with the settings to make it brighter. But other than that, the only issue I have is that the cord is really short. So I need to find a USB extender to make it a little longer, or figure another way to to try to organize it so it could put it in a spot where I could record. But they say it's supposed to be mountable on a tripod. I seen there's a screw head underneath the webcam for you to mount the tripod, so you could mount this webcam on the pod and use it like a regular vlog cam. So anyway, tell me guys, what do you think of the webcam I purchased, the Logitech c615. Do you think it's nice and crispy? Well, obviously it's better than my old webcam, that's for sure. So anyway, this is my first unboxing video on the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. As always, everybody, have a nice day. And I see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.